In this video, we are going to clean up some imperfections around her lips and better shape them, like this. Before we begin, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. This photograph is from a photoshoot I did with Mizuki, but as you can see, it needs a little touch-up around the lips. Let's start. Zoom in by Ctrl+. Now we need to make a selection around the lips. You can use the tool of your choice like lasso tool, but I suggest to use a pen tool for a better selection. If you are not sure how to use a pen tool, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about how to use it. Try to follow the lip lines. You don't have to be perfect about it, but just try to keep it as close as possible. I'm going to speed up this process. Once you are done with your selection, right-click on it and click Make Selection. Depending on the image, feather the radius of your selection. For this image, I'm going to select maybe 6 pixels. You can zoom out by pressing Ctrl-. Inverse your selection by Shift-Ctrl-I, or just go to your Select menu and click Inverse. Select a Clone Stamp tool and make a new layer. Make sure it's selected Current and Below layers. Now select the opacity of Clone Stamp tool around 20 and Flow 20 as well. You can do this by pressing 2 on the keyboard and Shift 2 for the flow. Now take a sample of clean skin from a nearby area by Control-clicking. Then start painting around the edges and the dark parts of skin. Make sure you don't overdo it. I'm going to speed up this process. You can zoom out to see if everything is okay by pressing Ctrl-0. Let's adjust the left side a little bit more. Press Ctrl-D to deselect the selection. Before and after. You can repeat the same process from inside to give the lips more fuller feel. Press Shift-Ctrl-D to reselect. Or you can do it from the Select menu. Press Shift-Ctrl-I to inverse the selection. Make another new layer. Zoom in by Ctrl+. Take a sample of lips and paint on the edges. Don't overdo it, just slightly. Press Ctrl-D to deselect. Shift-click both layers and press Ctrl-G to group them. That's it. Before and after. Before and after. You can see how clean they are. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.